This is example 1 on page 385, solving a radical equation. So there's 3 steps that we want to follow for solving a radical equation. 1, isolate the radical. Right. In this case, that would mean because the radical is not alone on the left side of the equal sign, we need to subtract 2 from both sides. The square root of 3x minus 2 equals 4. Second step. Now that the radical is isolated, we want to undo the radical. Okay, what does that mean? It means something different for every radical. If it's a square root, you want to square both sides. If this was a cubed root, we would cube both sides. Right? It depends on the radical that you have. In this case, we have a square root, so we will square both sides. Okay, when you square a square root, you get what's inside. All right, so we squared a square root. It's like they canceled. So we're left with 3x minus 2 equals 16. Which leads us to step 3. Solve the equation that you're left with. Now, it could be different kinds of equations here, but in this case, we've got linear equation. We can solve this with basic algebra. Add 2, 3x equals 18, divide by 3, x equals 6.